Hello everyone. This video is completely made on web development. If you are a beginner, or a computer science student, or aspiring to take computer science, then this video is specially made for you. You'll definitely gain a little idea about what is web development. Web development is the work involved in developing a website for the Internet, World Wide Web, or an intranet, a private network. Basically, web development means building websites. Now, the question rises: how can we build websites? So, the languages to be learned in web development are: Number 1. HTML. HTML makes up the layout and structure for your website. This language is dynamic and allows you to create a beautiful website using less code. A better way to understand this language is to consider it as the skeleton that is holding your website together. If you are a good learner, then you'll learn this language in 40 hours. Number 2. CSS. CSS is the language developers can use to style a website. The style sheet language describes how your website is presented and its layout. CSS is used hand in hand with HTML to add colors, backgrounds, layouts, font sizes, and more. This language is a core technology that web developers use to design and build websites. It mainly focuses on websites' look. Number 3. Java. Java is the most popular web programming language. It is used to develop website content, games, apps, and software. Java is used in the production of most Android apps. Studies have shown over 15 billion devices are using Java in some form or other. Java language is portable and can be run on multiple software platforms. If you're just focusing on creating a website for business, then you no need to learn this language. Actually, you can do many things with Java, but, according to web development, I'll say not to go with Java. Number 4. JAVASCRIPT. JAVASCRIPT is used in many aspects of web development. Web developers use this language to add interactive elements to their websites. User engagement is important to your business, and your web developer should be incorporating JavaScript elements in your design. It works as a brain of the website. Number 5. Python. Python is one of the easiest languages to use and work with. Python can create a framework for basically any website. This language uses simple and straightforward syntax, making it easy for web developers to work with and explain to their users. Some familiar sites that are using this language are Pinterest and Instagram. Number 6. SQL. SQL is a database query language that is used when your website is computing large amounts of data. Using SQL allows you to gather data from different databases and use it to cater your website to your target audience. This language is not used alone. Instead, it is paired with others to get the most out of your customer database and website development. 7. P.H.P. P.H.P is often used on data-heavy websites or for app development. This is an open-source language that can be easily modified to meet the needs of your business or website. Large websites like WordPress and Facebook use P.H.P to manage and process their data. So these are the languages which are involved in web development. I know it seems to be huge in number just to create a website. But I can say one thing, that you'll learn them in less time. Excluding Java and Python, you can learn all languages in 5-6 months. Now, if you are thinking about how to learn and where to learn, don't worry. I brought some best English YouTube channels who are best in teaching web development with projects at free of cost. The 10 best YouTube channels to learn web development are: 1. DevTips. 2. Learn Code Academy. 3. Google Chrome Developers. 4. Level Up Tuts. 5. The New Boston. 6. Adam Curry. 7. Codec Course. 8. Web Dev Mentors. 9. JREM. 10. Helping develop. If you want to learn web development, and indie, then I'll personally recommend Code with Harry. His teaching is mind-blowing. If you still have any queries, then feel free to ask them in comment box. I'll definitely reply you within 24 hours. Hope you enjoyed this video and gained a little knowledge about web development. If you are new to our channel, then do subscribe to our channel. We will keep sharing knowledge on this channel. Thank you.